Hi everyone, this is Blanca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reverse canvas with some witch legs. Let's get started. First we will take our Dollar Tree canvas and remove it from the frame. Next, I took my iron-on that I cut out with my Cricut Maker and just began weeding out the pieces. Then I took my Easy Press tool to add the iron-on to the back of the canvas. I used a 340-degree temperature setting and did 30 seconds on the front, and then I flipped it over and did 15 seconds on the back. Next I painted my frame with just some black acrylic paint, and there you can see that I am peeling off the carrier sheet. Next I took these Dollar Tree witch legs. They seem to be a door knocker, so I just cut them off of the plastic ring that they came on. Super easy. Next, I took my Polyfill Premium Polyester Fiber Fill and filled each leg up all the way almost to the top. I left about an inch. I used a little stuffing tool to help me add the stuffing. Then I took my glue gun and glued shut the top of the witch leg. Just be careful because the hot glue can go through a little bit. You don't want to burn yourself. Next, I trimmed off the edges from the canvas so that they wouldn't show once I glue it back onto the frame. Here you can see that I'm about to hot glue the canvas to the back of the frame. I started by doing one side, then I did the top and bottom sides, and I made sure to tug a little bit while I was placing it back down to make sure that it was on there tight, or else it'll look loose from the front. Then to the last side. And now all I'm gonna do is hot glue the witch legs to the back of the reverse canvas, and that's it. Super easy and budget friendly. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. See you next time.